Too low to the mall. With a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit paused. Draco with a drum, this bitch ain't never go stop. We on that night war shit, slaughter gang shit.
For this look, I'm gonna be using these ombre braiding hair that was provided by Xtrend. I will leave their information in the description section below, so you can go ahead and check them out. So this is the inside of the wig. It comes with I think about 4 combs. 1, 2. It comes with about 4 combs. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. So 1 in the middle and 1 on each side, and then 1 at the back area, the neck area, whatever. So the whole front is lace. I didn't do anything to this yet. This is what it looks like before plucking it and before bleaching these knots. So when I'm done with this wig, it is going to look completely different. So if you're interested, if you want to see what it's going to look like, sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Mommy. Okay, so she is coming along well. I just have this left, and I have to braid out the ends. This color is just so beautiful to me, in my opinion. Okay, let me know what you think about the color in the comment section below. But here she is, and these are braided on the track. Let me get some light going over here. There's the tracks. Remember, guys, to visit my website. It's chiquitabraids.com. You can order anything that you see me make here on YouTube. You can go on my website and place your order there. And also, there's an option for you to leave me a message if you have any question, any requests that you have. You can leave me a message on my website, and I will definitely get back to you with a response. And guys, I am thinking about having a 20K giveaway, which will be one of my braided lace wigs. So once I hit 20K, I am going to give away a free braided lace wig, but you will have to pay for shipping because your girl is not gonna cover that.